I really feel peace when I do seva, when I'm with the people. My name is Daxesh Patel. I am 32 years old and I'm from Philadelphia. So the one thing that's pretty great is everybody is understandable. Being around the people we're with, we're meeting people that are across the country, even the world. So this collaborative work of like working together, and of course learning from everybody, this teamwork and how things just work and process, it's like one of the things I've kind of gained. You learn to understand people, how they work around them. Not everybody needs to work around you because you're always learning from people. But if this opportunity comes for me to get involved in the community or helping others out, I think Akshardham Site Seva would play a big role.